In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Productivity apps on phone. We'll start in Gmail. On your phone, open the menu and create labels like Clients, Finance, Content, or Urgent, so messages have a clear home. Then set up filters so incoming emails are automatically sorted into those labels. This keeps the inbox clean without constant manual work. Star messages you need to act on soon, and create email templates for replies you send often to save time. When you're done with a thread, archive it instead of deleting, so search can bring it back anytime. For a quick safety net, turn on Undo Send in Settings so you can pull back a message right after tapping Send. Next, open Google Calendar to time block your day. Create separate calendars for work, personal, or content, and color code them so you can scan your week at a glance. Add recurring tasks for routines you repeat, like weekly planning or billing. Set reminders, 10 minutes or an hour ahead, so you're never surprised. And add focus time blocks to protect deep work from meetings and notifications. In Google Drive, build a simple folder system with main folders like Clients, Marketing, Admin, and Finance. Use consistent file names such as date project version so files line up logically and are searchable. When collaborating, share entire folders instead of sending individual files, and set permissions carefully: viewer to read, commenter for feedback, and editor for full changes. If you work with a team, shared drives keep ownership centralized and access organized. Jump into Google Docs to collaborate. Start from a template for proposals, reports, or SOPs to avoid reinventing the wheel. Use comments and suggesting mode to track edits and keep a clean history. Add headings so the document outline helps you jump around on a small screen, and insert checklists to capture action items. This setup works perfectly for SOP creation, blog writing, contracts, and meeting notes. In Google Sheets, create trackers for content, expenses, or leads. Use basic formulas like sum, IF, and count to calculate totals and flag conditions. Add filters so you can focus on what matters, and apply conditional formatting to highlight trends or deadlines. It's ideal for budget tracking, affiliate sales, client databases, and KPI tracking. For meetings, schedule Google Meet right from Calendar.